Changing your phone number on your Etsy shop is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Go to the Etsy website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you're accessing the account associated with your shop. Step 2. Access Shop Manager. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on Shop Manager. This will take you to the dashboard where you can manage your shop settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your phone number. Within the Settings menu, look for the Info and Appearance section. Here, you will find your current phone number. Click on the field to edit it and enter your new phone number. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. Make sure to verify that the new number is correct before saving. Now your phone number is updated on your Etsy shop. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Etsy support.